Spring is here, and that means bamboo shoots. Today, we're doing spring shoots with pork belly, my personal favorite combo.
First, prep your aromatics, sliced ginger and garlic. Split the shoots down the middle to peel them easy. Smash and rough chop. Those jagged edges soak up all the flavor. Get that pork belly sliced thin and we're ready. Blanch. Start the shoots in cold water with salt, sugar, and a hit of oil to kill the bitterness. Bring to a boil, then drain. The sauté. Wok screaming hot. Flash fry the pork with a pinch of salt. Toss in the aromatics until they're fragrant, then throw the shoots back in over high heat. Seasoning, hit it with sugar for that umami pop, then light and dark soy for color and depth. 2 minutes on medium-low, then plate it up. Pro tip, keep the lid off to save that crunch. It's crispy, fresh, and cuts right through the richness of the pork. Seriously, anyone can do this.